My formulas for 3 hair products vanished. Let me explain to you exactly what happened and what is going on. A lot of you over the years have learned to love a lot these 3 products right here. All right, we've got Success Paste, then Pregame, and then Clutch. These were really unique formulas that I had created many years ago. A lot of you helped me test them when I had them in like the yellow tins, and then I officially launched them with this really cool, unique look. Well, I wanted to reorder them just to have a new, fresh batches of each, and it turns out that the manufacturer, that whole division who made these, shut down. So, okay, that's fine. Let me have the formulas, please. Now, I can obviously read the ingredients, but where are the formulas? Oh, sir, well, that whole division shut down. Okay, here's the 19 emails from the person, who helped, the middleman behind these whole things. What's going on? Go look in her emails. Where's the formulas? Oh, sorry, sir, everything's been wiped out. Okay, like, what are you talking about? Completely gone, completely vanished. I've been looking for these formulas for quite some time, and I just could not find them anywhere. So I said, you know what? I need a new manufacturer for these. So testing about 2 or 3 manufacturers, because at this point I know, like, I've worked with a couple, I know who to trust, I know, some are good, some are bad, some wanted way too many. The quantities were just ridiculous. And as much as I like these products and they sell, I just can't justify having thousands and thousands of units sitting around. I'd rather, move these efficiently. And so I gave one particular manufacturer a try, sent me 3 very specific products based off of these, a cream type of clay, because this was Clutch is very unique in the fact that it is a bit more creamy than traditional clays. Success Paste, I was like, how on earth is this going to be replaced? This is such a unique product. Well, I've got good news. And then Pregame, the wax paste, again, a very unique product. This, when I first launched Pregame, the original version from many years ago, it was one of the first products that transformed over time of what it did. So it's almost like, pre-gaming before you go out. Maybe you'll have, let's just say you have a good time at home in a very minimal way, and then you go out, you're feeling good, legal, everything's cool, you're safe, and then you do whatever you gotta do. So this was designed to have that like initial effect of your hair looks good, and then over time, as it dried and settled, it transformed into a whole different product where you can really add some volume, some pliability, some good hold. Again, all of these 3 were just extremely unique. Well, after testing, I have decided that I have found replacements for these. And again, I'm telling you that I have hand tested these and hand approved them. They've got better quality ingredients, in my opinion. They perform, I think, better. And Success Paste, believe it or not, in my opinion, it's better than before. This was designed to be a light kind of grooming cream, light grooming paste, very easy, very pliable, and I felt like it was awesome. Now I have Control Cream, which I think is like the cream version of this. The new Success Paste actually has a little more hold, but it works through in such a creamy way, and I think it's better. So I have 3 different mannequin heads that I'm going to show you the results of these on. The products are, the packaging is still being done right now. They're not ready. The formula, everything's like the manufacturing part of it is ready to go. However, they're still working on the packaging. So these are still available. I know I have these on sale. The shelf life is pretty much on its way out. They're still, obviously, they're still good. They're fine. But I'm trying to refresh them from when they were last made. And so you can still get them on sale. However, these new batches, I just have the samples. I don't have the actual product. I will show you a sneak peek of what they look like. I think they look awesome, really, really sophisticated looking. And yeah, let's get into the testing. I know a lot of you probably want to see success paste first, and this is ideal for somebody who might have a little bit longer hair, even longer than this. You want something with more hold than control cream, because control cream is amazing, but it's really, really for more control, adds a little more natural shine to it. This is really more of a grooming paste to where it is going to give your hair a little more of that structured finish, have a little more hold, and it's really, really amazing. So it's going to scoop out like, like a cream. So it's so buttery, so easy to scoop out. And this is the final formula right here. So here we go. And I'm going to work it right in. And look at this. It's literally butter, much like the original. So it works through your hands really easy, really, really buttery. And then what you can do is you can work it through while it's still creamy, which will give you more of that conditioned type of feel. As you work it in, what's happening is it's going to absorb into the hair. And when I tell you, this to me is probably better than the original, simply because, in my opinion, it just has a little more hold and a little more control. When I say hold, I didn't want that like, oh my gosh, I can't run my fingers. You can see I'm running my fingers through this, but look how nicely this shapes in, and look how nice this looks. But it has that structured finish. Something that, yes, you can run your fingers through it if you want. I always tell people there's no need to run your fingers through it, because if you want your hair to stay a certain way, then let it be, okay? But look how nice and easy this just works right back in. It absorbs right into the hands. It's water-based, so yes, it washes out. And it's just great for, I would say medium length. You can use this on flows. You can use this on shorter hair, but it's really a great grooming cream, especially if you have maybe wavy hair and you just want that hold, that really nice control with your hair with just that little extra. All right, now I'm gonna go with Clutch. And the original was what I called like a cream clay. However, what I'm calling Clutch now is a paste clay, but still it has that light, easy, pliable texture. All right, so here's the product. I'm just gonna take a little scoop, a little creamy, right? Which is kind of like how we had it before. However, it's just got a little more, I don't say grip, but just a little more presence to it. As you work it through your hands, yes, it's still creamy, but what you wanna do is really work it in your hands. Again, with any products, if it's still on the kind of more creamier side, then you can work it through easier, maybe on thicker hair. The more you work this in and break it down, you're really gonna start to feel those clay properties. But the unique thing about this now is because I added a bit more, some paste to it, it actually, I think, performs even better. So you're getting like really, really good pliability, really good shape, really good hold. Again, you can work it through. It becomes a fully kind of matte finish. And I think this works even better on, I'd say, thicker hair types, on finer hair types, when you really work that in so you don't feel anything. And it just goes through the hair so easily, and it's very pliable, really reworkable, better ingredients than before, less ingredients, and I think this is a home run. So I'm actually happier with this version of it than the original. And last but not least, we've got pregame, which again was something really unique, designed to give the hair a more of a waxier feel up front, and then it would dry and change shape. It still has that capability, but yeah, let's give it a roll here. So right when you scoop it, it's creamy, just like the original. You're gonna work it into your hands like so, and your fingers. It's a bit more creamy than the original pregame here, but you can start to see that wax breaking down, right? So if you have thicker hair, you may wanna work it into your hair while it's still a bit creamy. However, the more you break this down, the easier it is to start to work into the hair. And I would say this one is less grippy than the original version. However, it still has that same awesome pliability and that same awesome texture. So we're able to work this through the hair like so, and you can see we're just getting kind of that instant volume, that instant lift, exactly with what pregame originally did. It's just, I think, a little bit of a softer version, easier to work with. not so strong in the hair, but it still gives you that nice hold. And then as it dries and progresses, then you're able to get that reworkability. And you can also use more. So waxes are good, again, sometimes on super thick hair, because it really gives you that control and you're able to really style the hair. So here it is, you can see it's a bit more waxy, it's a bit more present. So when I work it through like this, you're gonna see those wax properties up front, which is traditionally how pregame would work, right? It'd be a little more creamy, waxy up front, right? You get to style your hair, and then as it dries, it takes shape. So you could still have that dual property, those dual properties of the reworkability and how it transforms over time, or you can get that right up front to where you work it into your hands more, and it's not as waxy, and you're getting the kind of more of the finished result up front. So once again, it's still an amazing product, and I literally am so happy that I finally can replace these 3 incredible products. I would say within the next, because the boxes and the packaging is being worked on, I would say within the next 30 to 35 days, let's just say the next month and a half the most. However, when these new ones come out, I'm telling you, I literally demonstrated them in front of you, and I've been hand testing them to make sure, you know, they're almost identical but better than these originals. So I'm really excited for these. Keep your eye out, and I will be sending out emails and doing official, but I just want to give you guys an update and also the process of what goes on when creating new products. So thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you're using any one of these, and I'll see you soon.